You love drawing, I have something for you which could give you a maximum happiness. HUAWEI PaperMatte. And a keyboard, and of course, a pen. Let's unbox it. Alright. It's thin and very light. Matte screen. We do have USB Type-C, 2 holes for speakers, microphones, volume button at the top, on the side power button, additional speaker, 2 of them, so 4 speakers. Alright. Smells nice too. Schach. Voila! The sun is fully blasting, but with this tablet we have no reflective screen and it's usable all the time. In close-up, if we swipe, we have something like Google News. Of course, this is not a Google News, but very similar. It all depends on your country, I guess. Well, 120 Hertz. If you hit settings and see what's inside, you have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile network. If you have a compatible device with a SIM card, this isn't. Super device, so you can connect more. VPN, home screen wallpaper. Let me use a pen. It will be easier. Brightness. We can make it brighter all the way. It's very bright. Let me put it down a little bit. Display size. Could be very large for, I guess, old people, with someone who's with disabilities. Color temperatures, warm, cool, default, smart resolution. I turn it off because we don't want that. We want it fixed. High refresh rate, 120 Hertz, fixed, dynamic or standard. We're on a fixed, so 120 all the time. App multiplier, sound and vibration, ringtones. Notification tones, not the ringtones. There is no SIM card in this device. Okay, we do have biometric, face recognition, lock screen password, smart unlock, apps manager, battery, 42 hours and 78% of the battery. That is astonishing. Or 31 in performance mode. Storage, 256GB version. I already make some videos and photos, so there you go. Security, privacy, location, digital balance, features, more features, account, and that's the settings for you. Now let's move on to the pen, which is a second generation. It's a very nice pen. You can change the end, which is included, second end. Tip is on, and we do have tons of different files. You can even have a paid one. It's like $10. So let me create a new add note. You can fold, you can PDF, whatever you like. There's tons of papers. Recommended, general, planner, white, work, art. Let's stick with general. Or maybe clean, or not. Let's do this one. There you go. And then you do have tons of different features. Let me draw something first. That is satisfying experience. All right, we can change the color if you wanted to. That is super cool. We can add a picture or screenshot. Type it twice. Then you can resize it. Super cool. Tons of different features. Some features you have to be logged in. I'm not logged in at the moment. You can erase it if you wanted to. Of course. And the feel is very satisfying. Let me do it again. We have all the RGB action. So you can literally have all the color or even sample it if you wanted to. Let's do this one and wow. That is a satisfaction. If you don't know what to do with a pen, it is magnetic. And with the ATUTU benchmark, we do have 657,000 points. That's a medium range smartphone score. Storage test, also the same. 50,000 points. That's basically it. So we can play a simple game.
It's me, Mario. Here we go. On. Ojo. Caramba. Aia. Oh. Ai. Abi. Ah. Mario. Bravissimo. Oh, Luigi, gonjo, gonjo. Oppo. Oppo. Here we go.
Sometimes I still hear your voice. It's telling me you'll catch my fall. So how do I feel the ground? I wear my heart, you wear a crown. Wish I wasn't late to know.
Camera, which is quite astonishing. 4K, 30 frames per second from the main lens. Front-facing camera, Full HD, 30 frames per second, 720p or Full HD. There you go. Also pretty nice. Photo, beauty mode, and panorama, stuff like that. Remember, this is a tablet. Also has a voice control. You can see. If I smile, okay, shoot. Okay, photo, please. See, photo. Well, that's pretty good. All right. Too many photos. Let me show you some samples for photo and video. This tablet can record all the way to 4K, 30 frames per second. But do you really want to film with a tablet? That is some crazy stuff. Anyway, do we have autofocus? We do. And that is pretty cool. Can we do macro with it? Kinda. We do have a zoom. Okay, it's not easy to operate. Oh, we do have a macro. It's pretty great. Wow, check out that zoom. 1x. There's no wide angle in 4K. Let's do a zoom again. Okay, so we are out of focus. Come on. Okay. It's 10x zoom. Well, do remember that this is a tablet. And the front-facing camera is only Full HD and 30 frames per second. If you have another device from Huawei, for me it's a personal computer, there's a Huawei Share, so you can quickly share your photos, videos, powering. Should came out really quickly. There it is. Accept. It's already downloaded. And there you go. Same picture without any loss of the quality. How cool is that? No loss at all. Conclusion? That's how quick and easy it is to use. Fantastic speakers. Drawing is very accurate and satisfying. What does it mean accurate? You can literally do 1 pixel. Damn. With a regular end. Of course, you can change it for something more pointy. It would be much greater. If you have children which likes to drawing on the wall, which is not convenient, this is much better because you can erase it very quickly. Fantastic speakers, great battery, 120 Hz screen, great for consuming content, photo and video. The only downside is where do you store this pen? Maybe here, magnetic. Okay, that's cool. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye. Link in the description.